In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix error connection reset problem in Google Chrome. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar and type for control panel. Once you've typed it, please wait until a basma should appear, and once it's here, please click on open to continue. So from here, we need to change the view by going to the upper right side of that. You can see their view by, click on it and set it into large icons. So once you're done, you need to locate for network and sharing center, which is being placed at the third row next to indexing options. So from here, please navigate to the left pane. You can see their change adapter settings. Click on it, and the moment you do it, you will be able to see the network connections, which contains the network adapter that your laptop or PC is being connecting to. So if you're connected to a Wi-Fi, then choose this one. And if you're using an Ethernet cable, then you can choose the other one. Since I'm using a Wi-Fi as of the moment, then I'm gonna use this. So by here, please make a right click and eventually navigate to the option called properties. The moment you have bring up this kind of window, which is the Wi-Fi properties, please proceed to this option called Internet Protocol version 4 and go with the properties option. And here, you need to turn on this one, which is obtain an IP address automatically. And from here, turn on this use the following DNS server addresses. And under the preferred DNS server, you need to set it into 1.1.1 and 1. And here under the alternate DNS server, we'll set it into 1.0.0.1. Okay, so what we have set here under the preferred DNS is the best Cloudflare DNS. That is this 1.1.1.1. And the second Cloud DNS, sorry for that, is 1.0.0.1. Once you've set it, click on OK, close the window, as well as this, and restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to proceed to the second step. The second step would be you need to navigate at the button search bar again and type for CMD this time. So wait until a BASMA should appear, which is the command prompt system, and once it's here, please click on Run as Administrator to continue. Now you will be able to see receive notification where your user account control is asking you to say yes. Simply proceed with yes so that you can give permission on running this command prompt as administrator. So here you need to type for the first command, which is ipconfig space forward slash release. Click on another key, and once you've released it, you need to type for ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS. Click on Enter, and once you have successfully flushed the DNS, type for ipconfig space forward slash renew. Click on the Enter key. Okay, we just have to wait until this will be done. Once done, please type on netsh space winsock space reset. Hit the Enter key. And once you have successfully reset the winsock catalog, you just have to restart the computer. Once you've restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed. So don't worry, all of the command text that I have just typed will be included at the description box below. So no worries for that, you can simply copy it there. Once you're good, let's see if your problem is still not being fixed or not being resolved, then we need to navigate to the third method. The third method would be at the button search bar, type for control panel. Once you've typed it, wait until a BASMA should appear, and once it's here, please click on the open option to continue. So here at the control panel window, this time you need to navigate to the internet options, which is being placed at the fourth row next to ease of access center. Click on it, and eventually you will be able to see this one where here you need to navigate to the connections, and from here go with LAN settings and ensure that under the automatic configuration it will automatically detect settings, meaning that this box is enabled or checked. Once you've set it, click on OK, go with apply and then OK, and then check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to move on to our next method, and that is here at the button search bar. Please type for CMD. Once you've typed it, please click on the Run as Administrator. Click on Yes if your user account control would ask you to say yes so that you can proceed to this kind of window. So from here, you need to type for the second command, which is cls space hyphen space refresh. So type it here and hit the enter key. Once you're done, close the window and restart the computer. Once you've restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, however, if not, then move on to the button search bar, type for CMD again, and once a best match would appear, click on Run as Administrator. So click on Yes if your user account control would ask you to say yes. And this time, please type the third command, which is sfc space forward slash scan now. So this will do system scanning. Just type it here, and this will detect all of the problems and it will fix the problem for you. It might take some time, maybe 7 to 10 minutes, depending on the machine, but you just have to leave this command prompt window open. Don't close it as well as don't turn off your computer. Okay? So we just have to wait until the verification will be completed. And let's say that you're done, restart your computer and your problem will be fixed. The next method that you can do is navigate again at the button search bar, type for CMD. Once you've typed it, we just have to proceed to this Run as Administrator. Okay, under the best match being placed here, click on it. And if your user account control say proceed with yes so that you can now again run this command prompt as administrator. From here, please type the fourth command, which is ch key ds key. Again, type for ch key ds key, click the enter key and wait until it will be finished. Once done, proceed by typing the fifth command, which is sfc space forward slash scanfile equals c colon backward slash windows backward slash system32 backward slash ieframe.dll. Again, once the process is being done here, because the type of file system isn't ifs and it will take some time, you just have to put a lot of patience with this. Okay, type this fifth command, and once you are done with the fifth command, type for the last and sixth command, which is this one, the last sixth command. So which is this? So all you need to do is you need to type this one, which is to sfc space forward slash verifyfile equals c colon backward slash windows backward slash system32 backward slash if ieframe.dll. Okay, once you're good, you can now close the window and restart the computer. The moment you've restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed. So those are the very useful steps on how to fix error connection reset problem in Google Chrome. If you think those steps help you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.